Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to reset Windows 10 with easy to follow steps. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. On your keyboard, press the Windows key and I. This will take you to the settings page. Click Update and Security and click Recovery. Under Reset this PC, click Get Started. Here we have two options. You can reset your system but still keep your personal files, or you can clear everything and reinstall Windows. I'm going to go with this option. Please keep in mind that any applications you installed will be removed regardless of which option you choose. Here we also have two options. First one installs Windows from the internet. This takes much longer depending on the speed of your internet connection. The second option installs Windows directly from your PC. This is much faster. So I'm going to go with this option. If you decide to go with the first option, ensure that your PC is connected to the internet. For more configuration, click Change Settings. These settings are self-explanatory, so we won't spend too much time here. If you're okay with the settings, click Confirm. Now click Next to begin the process and follow any other prompts that may show up. Please ensure that your device is plugged in, as this process may take a while. If you're trying to reset Windows but can't even boot in to access settings, don't worry. All you need to do is follow these steps. Press and hold the power button to shut your system down, then press the power button again to restart it. While it's booting, press Shift and F8 or Shift and F11 depending on your system. Use the directional keys to select Troubleshoot, reset this PC, and then follow the prompts on screen. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.